Are you tired of missing those important notifications on your iPhone? Well, I'm going to show you how to enable a useful little feature that allows your iPhone to flash every time you get a text message or when your phone is ringing. So if your phone is set to silent mode and you don't want it to ring, then you can enable this LED flash for alerts option in order to get a little flash when someone is calling you or when you get a text message. All we have to do is to open the settings on our device, and then we'll open the accessibility section. After we open this page, we will scroll a little bit down and find an option that's called Audio and Visual. And we can scroll to the bottom of this page where we'll see this LED Flash for Alerts option. If we open it, we can enable the option by tapping on this switch here until it becomes green. So make sure that it's enabled at the very top, and we'll see two other options that we can customize. You can enable the iPhone flashing when the phone is unlocked, and you can enable it to flash when your iPhone is in silent mode. If you enable the LED flash, then it will flash when your phone is in ring mode, and we can disable the ringing and the flashing of our phone by simply putting our phone in silent mode, and we can do that by using the switch at the left side of our phone. But you can enable the flashing even when you're in silent mode, so your phone will flash to alert you that you have a call or a new notification, but it won't ring because you're in silent mode. But that's how you can make your phone flash when you have a notification or a call. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.